This is the HSD S-600 ECO Aerobatic Night Flyer ready to fly. The S-600 RTF package leaves nothing to question. HSD provides a complete ready-to-fly package with 2.4 GHz transmitter and receiver, all pre-installed. Included is a 3300 milliamp hour 3-cell smart battery with low voltage protection. With the overall amazing flight performance, the coolest part about this S-600 is at the flip of a switch, your S-600 is now turned into a beautiful, full lit up LED night flyer. Carbon fiber landing gear and big, soft, indestructible wheels gives you the ability to take off and land on various surfaces. The S-600 ships in HSD's patented 3D shipping box for protection and transportation. Assembly of this S-600 requires no glue. Simply attach the tail section, press, and you'll hear a click. Attach the elevator push rod. Next, attach the main wings with the plug system, and you'll hear a click on both sides, and you are ready to fly. Removable magnetic center hatch gives you the area for all your FPV gear and action cameras. Powerful 2815 1100 kV brushless outrunner paired with a 40 amp brushless ESC and all metal gear servos with the HSD Gyro V2 all pre-installed and ready for flight. Constructed of light and durable EPO foam, this S-600 is not only aerobatic, but it is a great training platform with excellent flying character. Are you ready to have some fun? Check out the HSD S-600 today.